What is up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be discussing what I think are the best 5 side hustles to start in 2021. If you're new to the channel, my name's Tyler Wise, and I like to show people how to make money online in different ways they can do that. I'm always talking about different side hustles that you guys should try. So what I've done is compiled the best 5 side hustles that I think will have the highest return for you and for me. I make so many different videos on this channel posting about, different side hustles. But, there's really only maybe about 5 to 10 that I would really recommend. So here are my top 5. And without further ado, let's get into it. So you might be wondering, why do I need a side hustle, Tyler? I have a full-time job. There's no sense in, watching this video because I already have a job. Why do I need a side hustle? And unfortunately, no matter where you're at in the world, it seems like nowadays a 9 to 5 isn't enough to give yourself financial freedom. And if you don't know me by the end of this video, hopefully, I'm all about financial freedom. I left my 9 to 5 job because I was able to make a side hustle my full-time job. And what I want to do is discuss some of those options with you guys. So without further ado, let's get into number 5. And so the 5th side hustle that I highly recommend, I'm always talking about this on TikTok or Instagram, is freelancing. And a good freelancing website that you can go on to and start, making money from is called Fiverr or Upwork. I use Fiverr. I love Fiverr. I actually hired someone on Fiverr to edit this video for me. If you don't know what freelancing is, basically it's when you are offering your skills or abilities to someone, and then they hire you to do a certain task for them. The nice thing about it is that you have full creative control over what you're making. You can be a graphic designer, for example, on Fiverr, and you could be making, $100,000 at your job, your 9 to 5 job. Come home and you're freelancing. You got some gigs that you have on Fiverr to do, and you could be making another $20,000 per month just from Fiverr. So, and you can be making anything you want. These people are hiring you to make logos for you, for example, or edit YouTube videos like this video. So that's why I highly recommend freelancing. Fiverr's grown so much in the last couple years, and I think it's never too late to get into it. At number 4, we have social media marketing. And honestly, I've tried social media marketing. Honestly, I've tried all of these gigs before. Number 1 is my favorite though, so we'll get into that. But social media marketing is essentially when you are getting paid to run a company or a client's social media in order to grow or gain leads for them. And your hope is that essentially that by bringing them new followers or leads, that you're gonna make them more money, and all you do is get paid to do that. That's essentially all it is. You can get paid to run a YouTube channel. You can get paid to run Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, make a Facebook group. You can get paid to do all of those different things. But the best part is, you may be an expert at Facebook or TikTok. I know I'm pretty good at TikTok, not to toot my own horn, but I would offer those skills to someone whenever I'd be trying to offer my social media marketing skills. So that's why it's number 4. At number 3, we have virtual assistant. And essentially what a virtual assistant is you're getting hired to schedule appointments or do administrative tasks that you would typically do in an office setting for someone, but from home. And the best part about this is that you can have as many clients as you want per day. But people are making so much money from this. For example, hold on, give me 1 second. Let me check. So per client, just for one client, the typical virtual assistant makes about $32,000 to $57,000 per year. That's crazy, because you could have multiple clients, and you could be scheduling everything for them, or making appointments, or answering phone calls, travel arrangements, booking flights, all of those things, just for that one client, and then do the same thing for the other client, and you can get paid to do that. So if you like office, tasks, this would be a good fit for you. At number 2, we have wholesale real estate. And basically what wholesale real estate is when you find a client who's having difficulty selling their home. So, I mean, you have plenty of people around, the United States or wherever you're at in the world that are having difficulty selling their home. You go to them, you're like, hey, I'll buy your home for $20,000 or $30,000 under the market value. You get a contract, you write it up, you're like, hey, I'm gonna buy this home for this price, but you're not actually buying the home. What you're essentially doing is you're gonna take that contract, and then you're gonna go find investors locally that are interested in a home to renovate and make some extra money on, and you're gonna sell it at market value. So whatever you listed, the difference between is what you get to profit once that person buys the contract. That's all it is. And it's crazy to me because people think that, real estate is this giant obstacle you have to have hundreds of thousands of dollars to get into. And that's just not the case anymore, especially not with wholesale real estate. So, pretty great opportunity. I can make more videos about that if you are interested in hearing more about it. And then number 1, we have affiliate marketing. And so this is what I do. This is my primary income. I love YouTube, I love all these other side hustles, but affiliate marketing is where my heart is. Basically, what you're doing is you're becoming a partner with a company or a business that's coming up, and you're saying, hey, I will promote your product, and you have to give me, a percent commission on each sale that goes by it. So on the primary one that I love, the one that I'm always talking about, I earn about 60% commission. So, of course, it's high ticket affiliate marketing. There is a difference. So the products that I'm typically promoting are, $500 to $1,000 to $2,500. And, if I earn 60% of that, then that's, an entire someone's salary in a month in the United States. So that's where my heart is. All you do is you just become a partner with a company and you send them to an affiliate link. They'll give you an affiliate link. You try to send as much traffic as you can to that affiliate link. And whenever someone buys from that product, from that affiliate link, then you make money and everyone's happy. So basically you're marketing for somebody else so that they don't have to market at all, if that makes sense. Yeah, that was my top 5 side hustles that I think you guys could get started in 2021. This may change. I may make another one, down the road, especially for 2022. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It does help the channel. It helps me, helps me know if you like this kind of video. And I hope you like this video. I hope you learned something. As always, thank you for watching, and that's it. Bye-bye.